Good evening, my unstoppable unit. It's Tara here, and I've got a fun, spectacular, yes, I meant to do the pun, way for you to grow your customer base this week using some simple boo bags. So the idea is simple, it's fun, it's really, really effective, and it's very cost efficient for generating leads while you are out spreading some holiday cheer. So, step one, what is a boo bag? A boo bag is just this, you guys. It's a little treat bag. Excuse me. You can use clear cello bags. They're super affordable on Amazon, like 9 cents a piece. You get them in batches of 100. You can go to find a cute bag at the dollar store. You can go to Walmart, Michael's. I'm sure Hobby Lobby even has them. And inside, what you're going to do is include a couple pieces of candy. Uh, Optional if you have skincare or fragrance or color samples. And then um, the magic little piece here are these little tickets. This has on one side is either a $10 or a $20 off coupon when they register on your Mary Kay website. And side two is a text to see if you won ticket. This is your way to collect their phone numbers and start a conversation with them. Step two is to customize this. At the end of this, I've given you all the links for Canva to be able to have access to these tickets. All you need to do is click the link and you're going to update the QR code up in the corner to have your personal Mary Kay website on here. And you guys, the website address is staying the same even after the migration. Canva has how-to videos on how to do this. And then on the other side, for the grand prize ticket, you're going to either write in your phone number or you're going to type in your phone number into Canva so that it is shown for you so that they know where they need to text. You can print off a bunch of these, pop them into your bags. And if you don't have samples, it's not a big deal. Just put in a piece or two of candy and not a biggie. So now step three is who to give them for. This is where you guys get to have some fun with this. We have two main opportunities this week. You can give them to trick-or-treaters that night, hand them out to moms or older teenagers, college students, grandmas, whoever's coming to your door. Even if the kiddo is coming to the door and they don't have mom with them, we have this little slip here that says gift for mom. And you're just going to slide that in the bag because as moms are going through the candy Friday night, Saturday, they're going to see this. Oh, it's for mom. Okay. And then we also have the everyday conversations that you're having this week. Keep a few of these in your purse when you chat with women at Starbucks or at work, the grocery store. You're just going to hand them one of these and say something like, here's a little Halloween treat. Who knows? You might even win something fun. Just a little icebreaker to give somebody that and give them a little bit of joy. Step four, why does this work? A friend of mine, this is not something I thought up, you guys. A director friend of mine came up with this and she put it out on a platform and she shared it and we're running with it. But here are some really quick stats that show you how this works. Over 70% of people who receive a coupon hold on to it, especially if it's personalized and it feels like a gift. They may not do it right now, but they will come back to it. I know I personally have coupons still from when we moved and all those little things that we got in the mail, they're just in a stack and we're just kind of grabbing them as it is. So there's also a coupon code on here. So that's how you'll be able to track these to see how they got there. Text to win campaigns have an average of 45% response rate. It is way higher than emails and flyers. So if you actually are handing somebody something and you can slip that little verbiage with, here's a little Halloween treat for you, you might be able to win something too. They will actually look at what's in that bag. Now, um, people love to win. They like the mystery. They like the curiosity. They like to be able to spark that engagement and see what it is. The cool part about this is you decide what that grand prize is and what it is that they win. Even if they don't win, now they've texted you. Now you've had a conversation. Now you can follow up. You can, I've included trackers for you guys so you can do the 3-part touch. But you can even send them something like, hey there, I saw that you entered my Boo Bag giveaway. I'd love to send you a special treat, or I'd love to pamper you, or hey, we're doing a pop-up event. Hey, we're doing an event. I would love to invite you. It's all that door opening that this offers for you. And before you know it, you have a new contact, you have a new lead, you have a new relationship started. And step 5, here's the challenge for you guys. Make at least 10 to 20 boo bags this week. Hand them out at every opportunity. Give them to trick-or-treaters, coworkers, teachers, moms, pickup line, the dentist office, anywhere that you can think of. Track who texts you and start the conversation with excitement and gratitude for them getting back to you. Remember, it's not about who takes a boo bag, it's about who texts you after. And that's where the gold is. So you're going to build that relationship and that conversation up. I know it's Monday night, guys. These don't take that long to put together. You could get them printed out tonight, put them together tomorrow. I like, guys, we're going into like boo bag mode tonight. Use your FedEx discount if you want to print out a whole bunch of them. They don't have to even be in color. They can be in black, white. This is ground 1 of this. We're going to really kick this up in November and do some gratitude bags. But these are a really great tool to get out in front of you. So text me if you have any questions, call me. Go out there. Good luck. I would love to hear how you guys are doing at spreading joy and growing your business in the most beautifully way possible this week. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.